Hi everybody. So everybody's all focused on Christmas and I still have Halloween stuff to paint on. So I have these two little skull friends. I have one cup filled with warm colors, another cup filled with cool colors, some ready mixed paints again because I just didn't have the ambition to start it all myself or to stir it up myself. And I was hoping that they would kind of mix together when they started touching to kind of create a rainbow in the middle, but they didn't, but it's okay. Oh, and yes, I was going to make the smaller one in the cool tones because she already had, well, I say she, it could be a he, but I'm calling her a she for the sake that she's tiny and petite. And there's the little flower in the smaller skeleton's hair. And I was going to put that one in the cool tones just because. So I kind of had paused a second myself and went, oh darn. But just the way I had picked up the cups. So I was also realizing that the cups were kind of really useless in getting full coverage. So I did the best that I could with the cups. Had to go in with a pipette for quite a lot of it. And once the base had dried enough that I could actually hold it without getting paint all over my hands and that it wasn't dripping all over the place, I went in with a brush and the inside of the cups and touched up all the nooks and crannies that I couldn't otherwise reach doing it like this and letting gravity do its thing. Just because I wanted as much covered as possible. Maybe if I had spray painted it first, I might have liked to leave it open a little bit, or leave some of the base showing, but I wasn't really feeling the blank canvas underneath. So, and by blank canvas I mean the white skeleton. So I'm just gonna let you watch the rest of this. It dried really well. I think the dried painting came out really, really cool too. Lots of swirls. Very cool hot and cold piece. And yeah, I have two more skeletons to pour on, so hopefully I can at least do those before Thanksgiving. And yeah, let me know if you like this one. Talk to you guys soon.
day.